Here's the easy side hustle you can do from home. Selling pre-made Shopify websites. It's a great source of income. I'll be showing you guys today how to make them. My name is Terry. I'm a Shopify website designer, and I also make social media templates. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. If you don't know what a pre-made Shopify website is, it's pretty much a Shopify website already designed and ready for your client. So pretty much when they buy the website from you, it's pretty easy for them to just, plug and play templates, or everything will already be designed for them. Okay, we're going to get straight into it. So first, you're going to need Shopify Partner. So yeah, you'll just want to click join now. Go ahead and create a Shopify Partner account. It is free, but I will click login since I'm already a Shopify Partner. So in order to make the pre-made website, before you even market your pre-made websites, guys, you want to go ahead and click add store. After you click add store, you'll click development store, and pretty much you have to give your store a name. Pretty much you want to design a store for your client, already have the client in mind. So you get to create a whole store name, a made up name. If you're having trouble coming up with a name for your store, you can also use Shopify name generator. It's pretty much a website that helps you think of a name for your pre-made websites or any website you're trying to design. So I'm designing a skincare website. I'm going to say, let's see. We're just going to name this Silky Skin. Is this works? No. Okay. So it's telling me that this URL is available. So then I think of another URL for the store. Skin by Skin. Would that work? No. Okay. All right. Gotta keep thinking of a name. Okay, so I'm having a hard time coming up with a name for my pre-made website. Sometimes I do have like brain fog blockage. So I would just type in skin, right? And I'll click generate name. So Shopify Partner can give me a name. Shopify name generator can give me a name. These are pretty much all the names that's available. So let's see. Let's just type in skincare. Let's get more niche down. Defined skincare. That's cute. Okay, I like defined skincare. Let's see if that's actually available. Defined skincare. Okay, and that's available. So now it's pretty much creating the store for you. And if you don't know, I do have a course on pre-made websites. It's called the Pre-Made Website Hustle. It's a $50 course, and it comes with a lot of information, pre-made social media templates for your business, PDF guides, what to send to your clients. It's very helpful. Comes with 27 pages PDF, 6 videos, 4 banners and flyers, plus more. So it does come with a lot of information just to make your life easier. But today I'm just going to show you guys how to design the websites for your clients. After you start selling pre-made Shopify websites, you do receive a referral payout each time the store is billed. So as you can see at the bottom, this is proof of my referral history of how much I pretty much make monthly just from referrals, besides the actual prices of the websites on top of that. So it is a great source of income. Use code YouTube for money off as well. Okay, so now we are back on the dashboard of Shopify, of the website we just made. So then I will go to online store. So then you'll want to click customize. I am currently using the Dawn theme. It is free because they do have paid themes and free themes. Always use free. And I always start at the top as well. So how it says, welcome to our store. I'll go ahead and click mobile because I like to design in mobile because most people are on their mobile phone. Welcome to our store. We can go ahead and change that. I'll say caps, use code, and then I'll type skin for 15% off, just to give it a look. And then the background color, I'm not sure what color scheme we'll have for this. I do have some banners already made, so we'll have to go back to that. And then where it says define skin, I actually have a pre-made logo to let the customer know that they'll have to add their own logo. So let me go to Canva and download that actually. This pre-made logo is also already included in our Shopify pre-made website course. So pretty much I just downloaded that. So then I would just want to click change, select image, and I want to go ahead and add the email. I'll go ahead and add the logo that I just downloaded from Canva. And then I also will make the logo a little bit bigger. I usually do 130. And I'll click save. And then I'll go over here. Let's see. I want to hide all this so I don't add all these extra things in the website just because it is a lot and I feel like it'll be worth more than 130. So for all my pre-made websites, I charge 130. So I'm just hiding all this extra stuff and I'll show you guys what I actually add. And for the footer, I will go ahead and let's see. I would hide our mission and maybe info. Or I'll keep one of these. Usually quick links or info. I'll just keep info and I'll click save. So at this point, I'm going to go back and sync the website banners. So I'll click here, image banner, select image. So I do already have my banners here, so I'll sync that. And I'll click select, and then you want to turn down the darkness. If you get like a shadow over your banner, you'll want to turn it down and then adapt section to image so it can sync properly. And then I'll click save. It's pretty easy designing websites, guys. It is like I said, it is a great side hustle. And then we're going to add another banner. So to add the bottom banner, you'll click down here, add section. You'll click image banner, and then as you can see, it's added. And like I said, you'll click the eye to hide all the other items, image banner, select image, upload, and then I'll add the bottom banner, which is like, oh, the follow me on Instagram, you know, banner. So click select, adapt section height, and click save. And then before you click save, it's like all this extra room in between there. I'll just go ahead and let me see. Footer. You'll click footer and then you'll click top margin just so you know you can get that extra chunk of space out of there. So far I do have a top banner and a bottom banner and a like default logo, and I did the welcome to your store type of discount code at the top. So now I'm going to add my 4 products. So instead of featured products, I would say, let me see. I will go ahead and capitalize the P. My pre-made websites are designed different because I do dropshipping websites, but this skincare website is not going to be a dropshipping website. It's pretty much just going to be a regular Shopify website. Then I'll click add files, and this is pretty much just, you know, giving your clients a vision of what the store will look like. Let's just say toner. Oops, not in caps. Toner. And I like to stock my pre-made websites with at least 4 stock photos. Serum, active, we'll say this is $25. Gotta add the prices, you know. Make it look like a real store even though it's not active yet. Add another product. Let me make sure these are showing on the website. So I'll go back to the theme, click customize again, just to see if the 4 products are showing. And as you can see, they are, which is awesome. I'm probably going to add some things to the bottom of the website and the top as far as the menu. So as you can see, the menu, it says home, catalog, contact. I don't want it to say that. So we'll then go to pages and then we'll click this. We'll keep this there, but I usually like to add a contact us. So usually contact is already added, but I'll add the us after. And then I'll go add another one like shipping, click save, FAQs. So pretty much the tabs at the bottom, you just want to create important pages. And I'm going to create another one, private policy, because by law, you need that on your website. So I'll go ahead and add that, and then we'll go to products just to add some collections. So we'll do a view all. I usually like to do a view all, and then we'll do like a manual. We'll do like a cleanser, toner collection. Create another collection, toners. And then let's go back to the pages, navigation. So as you see right here, catalog, which is all products. Okay, contact, it'll be contact us. And then you want to go ahead and add more collections to the main menu. It's supposed to say view. I'll change the catalog to say view all, just because catalog sounds real old. Okay, I'll click save menu. And then now we did the main menu. Now we have to do the footer menu, which is, at the bottom. So then all you have to do is go to pages, and then you'll want to insert each page and click add. You'll keep doing that until all the pages are added. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it and you're receiving value, and be sure to subscribe for more content like this, just so YouTube algorithm knows that you guys enjoy my content. Now, I did want to show you guys there are people making money off of selling Shopify theme websites. This is people selling some on Etsy. As you can see, they're selling them for $100, $50. Like, there's money in this industry. There's also people on Fiverr selling it for more than $100. There's some selling it for $180, $400. So just so you guys know, there is money to be made in this industry. Now, if I were to go back to customized, just to show you guys the store. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So if I was to click the menu over here, you see all the options we have to click. And then if I were to scroll down, you see you'll see the footer menu. Now, once I get a sale from my client, I will fill that out before I send the pre-made website to them. And it's pretty easy. Okay, so I kind of want to change the banner. Let's see if we can change it to the actual, ooh, not header, oh Lord. Announcement bar. I don't really want this color to be black, so I'm going to see if I can change the bottom colors to be the pink color I got going on. So then I go to theme settings, and then I'll go to colors just to see if we can change the top and bottom button. Okay. Let's see, is this it? Okay, that is it. So this color, what color is this? I don't know the exact color for this, y'all. So sometimes I just go back to Canva just to get that exact color. I just want to do a few more things. No, what color is this? Okay. It is color FABD. I get the color hex code from Canva, and then now you see the top is the same as that. And then I think I'm going to try to change the bottom. Let's see if we can change the bottom to that. No, I don't want that color. I might have to go back and mess around with it. Okay, so there we go. I'm trying to figure out if that's too much pink. It might be. And this is what the website looks like so far. I might keep it like this. So this is pretty much the end result of my pre-made Shopify website. So then I will go back and add this onto my own website, angelswhohustle.com. I will pretty much put it in a mock-up on Canva. And with all my pre-made Shopify websites, they all come with templates. As you can see right here, I make social media templates as well. So these will also be going with my pre-made website once someone purchased this website from me. Be sure to check the link in the description for the pre-made website course. It's over 3 hours long, packed with information. You can also download a free pre-made website business checklist that is in the description. It's free. Just be sure to enter code FREE at checkout to get that checklist for free. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.